Welcome to the session of data handling. We'll be starting with our exercise 3.2. Let's move on that. In this exercise, we'll be discussing about median. Median is the middle value of the given numbers or the distribution in their ascending order. Median is the average value of the two middle elements when the size of the distribution is even. Another thing we'll discuss, let's see, that is mode. The mode is the value that occurs most often. If no number is repeated, then there is no mode for the first. For example, if we have to find the mode of the following series 13, 16, 13, 14, 13, 16, 14, 21 and 13, the mode of the number that is repeated more often that any other, so 13 is the mode. We'll be having use of median and mode in this exercise. Let's move on that. Our exercise question number 1 is the score of mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows in the data. Find the mode and the median of the data are the same. So in this, first thing, when we have to find out mode and the median, we will be arranging them in the ascending order, in the increasing order. So in this 20 occurs 4 times, which is the highest, so mode is 20. Here total number of students given is 15. So n is 15. In this, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2. That term, that is 15 plus 1 by 2, that is 16 by 2, which is the 8th term, which is equal to 20. So median is 20 and mode is 20. And the second part of the question is, are they same? So are both the answers are 20? So yes, median and mode, they are same. Moving to question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket team by 11 players is as follows, which is given in the data, and we have to find mean, mode and the median of the data. Are they same? In this, mean is sum of all the numbers divided by number of terms. We'll be adding up all the digits divided by 11, that is 429 divided by 11 is equal to 29. Arrange the given data in the increasing order. We get 15 occurs in this 3 times. So mode is equal to 15. N is equal to 11. Median is 11 by plus 1 by 2. That is 12 by 2 is 6 term, which is equal to 15. Mean is 39. Mode is 15. Median is also 15. So they are not same. Moving to question number 3. Weight in kg of 15 students of a class is given in the data. We have to find the mode and the median of the data. In this, we will be arranging them in the increasing order. Here 38 and 43, which is occurring 3 times. So both the numbers are mode. So 38 and 43 both are the mode. Here total number of students given is 15. So median is n plus 1 by 2. And that term, that is 15 plus 1 by 2 is 16 by 2, which is the 8th term, equal to 40. Mode 38 and 43 and median is 40. So in the second part of the question is, here is there more than one mode? So our answer is yes, the given data has two modes, that is 38 and 43. Moving to next question, that is question number 4. In this, mode and median of the data we need to find out. We'll first arrange in the increasing order and we'll find out that which number is occurring more number of times, that is 14. So mode is 14. Here n is 9, median is n plus 1 by 2, which is 9 plus 1 by 2 is 10 by 2, which is the 5th term. From the ascending order, we will be finding out the 5th term, which is equal to 14. So mode is also 14 and median is also 14. In the last question, tell the statements are true or false. First, the mode is always one of the number in the data. That's true. Mean is one of the number in the data. That is Not necessary, so it is false. Median is always one of the number in the data, that is true. And data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9. We have to find the mean and check the answer. Here mean is 9. So this is false. If you calculate, you will come to know the mean is not coming out to be 9. So this is false.